facing a significant challenge. How can hundreds of millions of tons of wood be harvested and transported efficiently? And here is the solution you've been looking for. Let's start by marveling at the incredible power of the CAT 2 15 excavator as it conquers these ancient trees. With 830 horsepower and the ability to lift hundreds of thousands of pounds, this machine effortlessly handles towering trees. A tree spade is the perfect choice. With its setup for sharp triangular blades, the machine gently encases the tree's root ball, forming a secure protective dome. With just a few simple steps, you can lift the entire tree out of the ground without the need for root pruning. And efficiency are always the top priorities when operating heavy machinery. The 728E, our harvester, is equipped with outstanding safety features such as bulletproof glass, protective guards, and a stable balancing system. Additionally, the machine boasts incredible flexibility, effortlessly adapting to various terrains and working conditions. Have you ever imagined a machine that could magically transform branches into entirely new products? That has now become a reality. Let's explore the exciting applications that wood chips can offer after being shredded. The Makita XC User. The O3Z is an exceptional cordless chainsaw that uses dual 18-volt LXTR batteries, operating smoothly with a noise level of only 100 dBA. Equipped with a brushless motor, it features the chain speed of 3,940 feet per minute and a 14-inch bar length.